on the motors like in these. But for that, this will be way too long, so we have to cut it short. So I'm going to measure it for 17 centimeters and then cut it there. So here I'm going to be soldering this DC motor, which has been connected to some wires. Okay, and here there is a paste-like substance which is used to get all the metal pieces together. What happens after you solder it? So here the metal just melts on contact because it's really hot. Here are the motors that I have just soldered. Here, and as you can see, there is a like a metallic type of liquid on top of them. Putting a sort of shield on top of the motor so that one, the wires do not come off, and two, this part is protected. Assembly along with the motors from before here and some wheels that I am going to make the car motor. Next I will be trying to put the Arduino along with the Arduino motor shield and lithium-ion batteries for it to work.